Hello, in this video we're going to discuss Canvas pages and modules. When you create content in Canvas, you create it in the form of a quiz, a discussion board, an assignment, or a page. Then you can take that content and you can curate it in a module which would make sequential learning for students to complete. Let's start with this idea of pages. If you look at pages, and then you click View All Pages, you see all the pages that you have in the course. To make a new page, you'll click the plus sign here, and then you will make a new page. You can title your page, and then you would put content in the text box. You could embed an image, you could embed a video, you could link to something externally, or you could link to other items in your Canvas course. Then you will click the blue Save button to save your page. To publish the page so students can see it, click Publish. You can always change your mind and click Publish again, and then this page would be hidden. If you go back to the pages though, you can see everything here and realize that maybe this grouping you would like to organize in a module. If you look at the modules view, you'll see many lessons here that students would go through. For example, this implementing IQs in the chaos, or understanding plagiarism, or citation guide for RET. Let's take a look at this one. If you click Why We Cite, students would start on this page. They would click Next to go to a page about the Chicago Manual of Style. They will click Next again to go to citing different types of material. If they click Next again, they'll see captioning images. Click Next again would take them to a bibliography, another page on understanding plagiarism, and finally they would have a plagiarism quiz. This is the next module that they would begin. To create a new module, you would click the blue plus sign that says module. Go ahead and name your module. Click Add Module. The new modules will always appear at the bottom of that Canvas page. So if you notice, we don't have content in here right now. If we click the plus sign, you can see content that we have in the course that we could arrange in that module. I want to add a page that we just made. I'll add these 3 pages here. And I also want to add a quiz that I have previously made. Once the items are added, I can rearrange them if I think they would be in a better order. I want to make sure that all pages are published so students can see them. And now I have my module. The end of our module is here. Another option in modules is to create prerequisites. If you click the vertical dots and then click Edit, you'll see here Add Prerequisite. Perhaps you want students to finish a certain module before being able to have access to a new module, and that is something that could be assigned right here. That's the end of this tutorial on pages and modules. I hope this is helpful to you as you begin to design your distance learning courses.